and make sure you subscribe and put the bell. Let me show you my outfit first. Let's open the LOL. All the LOLs I already got. Let's open it, guys. So it says to unzip this, and we're gonna zip it.
1 hour later.
So my sister's gonna open it for me, guys. This, guys. Let's open the second time. Hey guys, this is the pink one. Let's open it, guys. And with this, guys. So guys, this is the collectible. So excited for what I got. So it also comes with this magnifying. So these are all the surprises I got, guys. Let's open them. Let's open this one first. Be careful with scissors, guys. Make sure you have appearance. Let's cut it. Oh. There's a little scooper for a sand. Open the next one. Baby poodle. Now it's open this one. Oh my. It comes with a hairband and an elf. It comes with this, guys, but I don't know what it is. Just found out what we got, guys. It's a kitty. Cute! Oh my God. Let's dress it up. Now I got this, guys. Let's find out what is inside. So guys, it's sand. We're gonna scoop it out. And there's something inside, guys. These shoes, guys. I hope you enjoy.